Is the group harder than an erection that shows no affection? They wanna ban us on Capitol Hill, cause it's die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers.
All along it was a ghetto, nothing but the ghetto. Taking short steps, 1 foot at a time, and keep my head low and never let go. Cause if I let go, then I'll be spineless. I'm going insane.
I think my mind just goes out of control and touch on subjects motherfuckers read about. I touch on the shit that they be leaving out. I seen this motherfucker's non-smoking. I seen the same nigga with the nine dying with his eyes open. And simply what this means is he didn't know that every dog had his day until he seen his. I bet you motherfuckers will too, because it's time, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfucker, still.
I think it's something in the water, man. It's gotta be in the water.
Oh fuck, Chuck's on a killing spree again, with guillotine for men. I walk around town with a frown on my face. Fuck the whole world, gonna get your murder case. The murder rate
may increase if you caught up in the world while it's dying. I guarantee you frying, cause I on the verge of knocking motherfuckers out for no reason. Once I get down, there'll be no breathing. It seems when motherfuckers wanna calm down, put his palm down, seems like I still lay the law down. Now it's all about what you wanna do, I'm asking you. Stuck to face, I break your ass in two. Bastard you, rather swim in some fucking hot tar before you fuck with Willie D, cause what I got for your ass will make you shit your meal. Cause it's die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers, still fool. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers, still. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers, still fool. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers, still. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfuckers, still.
I'm a naked cowboy.